Perfect. Here we go. Nice and low. Very good. All right, let's go to the other side there. And just the top one in. We're going to cross just right here. Good. Okay, take a breath in and out. And nice and relax. Very good. Face up. Just let's lay back down on your back here. Tender right there. Okay, so I'm going to go real gentle on here, okay?
Okay.
Nice and relax. Good. How was that? Wasn't too bad,
Yeah, that wasn't bad.
You're anticipating it more. Okay, and then just nice and relaxed right here. Perfect. Nice and easy. Okay.
Let's just go right here. Good. Same thing here. Good. Good. Nice. Good. Okay.
We're going to go right into that. Very good. Down at the bottom of her neck at C6, C7. Good. We're going to go right into that joint and realign it. Great. Let's go on the other side. You can feel the lumbars here, slightly misaligned. I'm going to go in, push right on the lumbar joints. Very good. And let's check our pelvis.
All right, deep breath, mommy. All the way out. Good. Oh, one more. All the way. And this is her first adjustment. Nice. You did awesome. You okay?
Oh my god, it felt so good.
So one thing we want is definitely taking deep breaths. So we're going to see how you sleep tonight and how you do the next couple of days after this. My goodness, girl, you are like a jelly bean. You're so relaxed. That's awesome. Look, I told you about your ears.
Yeah.
I always say that in the videos, but it's true.
That was like the pop of my dream.
Soltar, estrutura, solta. Ótimo, muito bom. Excelente. Para lá. Soltar, muito sol. Ótimo, muito bom. Excelente. Lá em cima aqui, sol. Ótimo.
Nothing to be afraid of. Just drop into my left hand. A little bit tight because of that fusion there, but we're going to just go gently. Drop into my right hand. That was a bit better. Did that feel like the right thing?
Yes.
Did, eh? You still got
good
a pulse.
relief.
You got some relief already. Let your knee go up a little bit further, and then just roll towards me. Wasn't that bad, was it?
Good. Good. Okay, slow going. Nice and easy. Good. Perfect. Good.
Alright, nice deep breath through your nose. There we go.
Oh, wow.
Yep. How far down did you feel, Daniel?
Here.
Okay, good.
That's good.
Yep. Forward like this. See, that's going to pull the stomach up through there and make it worse. Yeah, just breathe. There we go. Okay, I got you. That's it. Perfect.
Tindakan preventif agar tidak lepas. Lemas? Kak, abu-abu. Monci, ini berikan ke sini. Enggak, lemas. Coba bangun.
All the way out. Good. Nice. Oh my. It's actually tight in here. All the way out. Ooh. Take a big smile.
I love it.
Deep breath for me again. And relax. Good. Perfect. That was awesome. This. Deep breath. Oh, sorry. Man, that was tight. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see what you mean. Go face up for me. There we go. Nice. And there goes the red ears. I say it on video all the time.
There you go. Now, I don't have to ask if you felt that all the way down.
Wow.
Yeah.
I did.
That's a wow adjustment. You got great reflexes. Okay. Good old Palmer diversified rotary brake. Yes, sir. Good job.
Relax right here for me. Good. Relax here. Excellent. All right, we're gonna get some mobility right in here, okay? Relax for me. Very good. All right, had you ever had that before?
No, sir.
All right, how'd that feel?
Good.
Very good. Excellent. All right.
Let me put this on your chin there. Okay, keep your teeth together. Take a deep breath in. Let all your air out. Oh yeah, home run. Everybody's better after the ring dinger. And there is the Palmer diversified rotary brake, left and right, which are even by the way. And we're working our way up into the thoracics. Okay, just breathe normal and exhale. There you go. Okay. I still got one right here. There. There it is. I knew it was in there. Did you feel that?
But to her, I'm going to speak to her in Spanish. Okay, vamos a ajustar aquí por el cuello. Very good. Okay, very good. So, guys, as you're watching me as I'm talking, I am definitely palpating within the cervical spine, and I could feel the restriction right here at C2. Relájese aquí. Muy bien. Okay, acuéstese aquí boca abajo. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Good. Muy bien. Acuéstese mirando hacia el otro lado. All right. Okay. We're going to adjust through the lumbar spine. We did one side first. We're going to get some movement here through the sacrum. Respire hacia adentro. Saca el aire completamente. Good. Muy bien. Acuéstese boca arriba. Mirando hacia el...
And all we're gonna have Katie do is just stay right there and relax for me, Katie, and breathe all the way out for me. Nice and easy. Good. Good job. And that's pretty normal for her with that kind of audible that we hear. So we're gonna go a little bit lower to the 5. Stay right there for me, Katie. Nice and easy, and rock your shoulders for me. Nice job, Katie.
Would be the low back lumbar adjustment here. Go ahead, take a breath. Okay, good. And lay on the other side. And usually, just a, easy applied force. Take a breath. There we go. Good. Lay on your back. Okay. So let your head relax and I'll move it for you. So there's a little bit of a fixation right here. So going to be real easy. Give you a little bit of a bend. Okay. And then just right there. Okay.
Back. On this adjustment, you're going to keep your teeth together. Make sure your tongue's not in between them. Just breathe through your nose. Exhale. Yep, there we go. Now you should have felt that go all the way down.
Yes, sir.
Did you? Here, slide down this way a little bit. There you go. these guys out of here. Okay. Oh yeah, crack egg's gonna love you. There we go. You got some Bigfoot vertebrae too.
Not anymore.
Okay. There we go. Good. Did you feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you're still kicking your eye. Alright. Got one more here. That's it. How about that? Yes, ma'am. Home run.
Press for me. Nice. Other side. I had a patient come in the other day. And they're like, those are real noises. I'm like, yeah, I wasn't making them up. I don't know how to. Deep breath. Oh, yeah. Nice. That was a good one. Very good. Let's go face down for me. So here we go. All the way. Good. There it is. Beautiful.
Right there, and then lean your upper body back right here. We're gonna get in here and do some get some movement in here. Relax here for me. Good. Okay. Upper right here. There you go. Perfect. Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay.
Like this, and I'm bringing it. So very specifically, if you can see the specificity of that, I'm right on that vertebrae, and listen, that just released. Perfect. Now go face down. Right down in the pelvis, in that area that doesn't want to go into extension. You're going to relax your shoulder. Very good. Go face up.
Now just breathe through your nose easily. You don't need to take deep ones, and just relax your hands on your tummy. There you go. There we go. Keep breathing. There we go. Keep breathing. You're still kicking your eye. Now just relax your head in my hands here. There we go. That a girl. Good job.